Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today also we are going to discuss about pair of linear equation in two variables. In that some of examples we will discuss in deeply. Okay, and again comes to the relative positions of the lines. So in that intersecting lines are there. Intersecting lines are also called as consistent. So intersecting. Why? Because intersecting lines are called consistent. They have common point. Okay, that is intersecting point. By seeing the equations, you can able to say the given lines are intersecting or not intersecting. See here, I am taking one example: 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0, and some 3x plus 5y plus 1 is equals to 0. These are two linear equations I have taken. By seeing the equations, you can able to say the given two lines are intersecting. Yes or no? Yes, these two lines are intersecting. How? Here see coefficient of x 2 and coefficient of x 3. So a1 by a2 is equals to 2 by 3, and b1 by b2 we will see 3 by 5. So both are unequal. a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Therefore the given pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Sorry, consistent. Okay, consistent. So these are called intersecting lines. Okay, so in exam you may get questions like that. Check whether the given pair of lines are consistent or inconsistent. So in this way you can able to check whether the given lines are consistent or inconsistent. For objective purpose, you may get questions like this: for what values of p, or k, whatever it may be. Let us see here. 2x plus py plus 7 is equals to 0, and 4x plus 8y plus 3 is equals to 0. For what value of p the given lines are consistent? For what values of p the given lines are consistent? Okay, listen here. So what is the concept of consistent lines? What is the condition a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2? So I am going through that condition only, then I will get the values of p here. a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. So 2 by 4 not equals to p by 8. Okay, so 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2 not equals to p by 8. So p not equals to 8 ones are 8 by 2. So p not equals to 4. So the values, if p is equals to p not equals to 4, if p not equals to 4, the given equations, these equations are consistent. Okay, the meaning of this one is if p is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 and so on, except 4, then the given equations are consistent. In this way you are going to get the questions for 2 marks or in objective. So in another way, as one deep concept is there here. If the lines are intersecting, there is a possibility of intersecting lines are perpendicular. Okay, so how to identify the given intersecting lines are perpendicular? So I will say one small topic here in that. Okay, just see here, if ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is a equation of line. Okay, pair of linear equation in two variables. So it always represents a straight line. The line which is perpendicular to this particular line is always in the form of bx minus ay plus k is equals to 0. Okay, so a line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is there. The line which is perpendicular to this particular line is always in the form of bx minus ay plus k is equals to 0. So irrespective of constant, you can see the equations, you can able to say that lines are perpendicular or not. See here, 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0 is a one of the line, and the line which is perpendicular to this one is 3x minus 2y plus k is equals to 0. Is this a perpendicular or not? Yes, it is. How? See here, the coefficient of y becomes the coefficient of x here. the coefficient of x becomes a coefficient of y with negative symbol. So see here, check these two. So both are equal, no? Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. The equation which is perpendicular to bx, this equation is bx minus ay plus k is equals 0. So 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equals 0 is the line. The line which is perpendicular to this particular line is 3x minus 2y plus k is equals to 0. So if you want to find out this k value, you have to go through one more topic. I will explain later. So irrespective of constant, by seeing the equations only, you can able to say the given lines are perpendicular. Okay, this is one of the important topic for objective. Okay, now we are going to discuss about inconsistent lines. So inconsistent, when we can say the given lines are inconsistent, if they have no solution, then we can say the given lines are inconsistent. The parallel lines are said to be inconsistent now. So parallel lines have no solution, that's why those lines are called inconsistent. Okay, these lines have any solution? No solution. Okay, so you may get the questions on inconsistent lines like this. Check whether the given two lines are inconsistent or not. See here, 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0, and 4x plus 6y plus 4 is equals to 0. These are the two lines. I am going to check whether the given lines are parallel or not, or inconsistent or not. So by seeing, I can say able to say the given two lines are inconsistent only. Okay, by checking the concept, okay, the condition, by using that condition, I am going to check that one. So a1 is equals to 2 and a2 is equals to 4, b1 is equals to 3 and b2 is equals to 6, c1 is equals to 1 and c2 is equals to 4. So a1 by a2 is equals to 2 by 4, that is equals to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equals to 3 by 6, that is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. Then we can say the given two lines are inconsistent. Okay, this is one of the way to ask the questions. Okay, so in general, in depth, if you want to give the questions in another method, so there is one more method is possible to give the questions. See here, 2x plus py plus 3 is equals to 0 and 4x plus 6y is plus 4 is equals to 0 are parallel lines. 2x plus py plus 3 is equals to 0, 4x plus 6y plus 4 is equals to 0 are inconsistent lines. Then find the value of p or whatever it may be, k or x, y, z, whatever it may be. So if you want to find out the value of p, he's already mentioned that the given two lines are parallel. So you know the condition to become the parallel, I mean inconsistent, that is again a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. Later you will get the formula, parallel formula as m1 is equals to m2 in intermediate, but now you have the formula as a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. See here, by using this condition you are going to get the value of p here. So 2 by 4 is equals to p by 6. 2 by 4 is equals to p by 6. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Again cross multiplication, p is equals to 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, p is equals to how much? 3. So in this way you are going to get the questions in objective as well as in a subjective, 2 marks, 1 marks, whatever it may be. So this is about today's class. Okay, if you have any doubt you can comment below, and thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you guys.